Stop reading and listen. If your money is sitting in a bank right now, you aren't saving it, you are watching it burn.
They told you to save for a rainy day. Well, the storm is here, and your cash is buying less every single day.
Think prices are going up? Wrong. Prices are the same. It's the value of the paper in your pocket that is crashing.
Before I expose the real criminal, smash that like button to help Joe carry this weight. Seriously, hit it now!
Criminal isn't the store owner, it's the printer. Since 1971, the government has been printing trillions out of thin air.
Every new dollar they print dilutes the value of the dollars you worked hard to save. It's basic supply and demand.
You run faster at your job hoping for a raise, but inflation runs faster. You get a 5% raise? Congratulations, inflation is 15%.
Banks sell you the illusion of safety. Look at their marble buildings. Who do you think paid for that? You did.
They pay you 0.01% interest while they make 10% off your money. That's not an investment, that's an insult.
They take your cash, buy real assets, get rich, and give you the crumbs. You are funding their lifestyle. Saving for retirement? The money you think is enough today won't even buy a cup of coffee in 20 years.
Time is not on your side. Every second your wealth sits in cash, it is slowly dying.
Your safe zone is a trap. Staying in cash is the riskiest investment you can make right now.
Wake up! Stop being a victim! The system is rigged to keep you poor if you follow the old rules.
Look at the rich. They don't hoard cash. They use debt to buy real assets. First step, break the mindset. Saving is losing. Investing is winning.
Bad debt buys toys. Good debt buys cash flow. Learn the difference.
Assets are your shield. When inflation goes up, the price of gold and real estate goes up with it. You are protected.
Don't let money sleep. Make it a soldier that works for you 24/7. Convert paper into things that are real.
The best asset you can buy is knowledge. Financial education is your only weapon in this war. Start a side hustle. Build a business. Don't rely on one paycheck that your boss controls.
Stop being the employee who gets drained. Become the owner who builds the system.
Escape is possible, but you have to do what 99% of people are too scared to do.
I learned this the hard way. I don't want you to suffer, so I wrote the full escape plan in this guide.
It teaches you exactly where to move your money before the currency collapses. Asset allocation, debt strategies, it's all here.
The link is in the description below. Get it now before your savings melt away completely.
Remember the ice cube. Time is ticking.
I'm here to tell you the truth banks are hiding. Subscribe to join the survivors. MonkeySense.